There is a seagull that is circling the field. Obviously looking for some dinner, but the game's not over yet. Swing and a miss, 1-1. And the fans now are cheering on the Seagull. They want the gull to land somewhere. And he's just circling around, trying to find some food. There's none out there. There maybe some used sunflower seeds. That's about it. Now it's 1-2. It's got to be tough for the hitter if that Seagull flies right on Rodriguez while he's batting. And he has landed and he's getting an ovation. Welcome to Baltimore. Of course, he lives in the harbor, so he didn't have to come far. He's looking around like, what's going on? I'm important. And the 1-2 is fouled down the line. Seattle has hit 4 home runs in this game and trails 11-8. One and two on Saunders. And another foul ball. And our friend is leaving. Flying out into the night over the center field wall.
But he'll be back.
Oh, absolutely, with friends as soon as the game ends.